Namaste, I am Kushi Garpar from Haveri. Today I am identifying flashcards by blindfolded. Let's start. Mummy, timer on.
Ready? Start.
3 R yellow, A 2 5 N jug 4 D 10 S farmer B 7 red T V F scientist traffic light kite green doctor 8 ball C K window X 1 L policewoman Z Y G apple orange mango teacher traffic policeman E astronaut bird iPads H P U gardener blue.
Stop. 52 seconds.
By 50 flashcard.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Jai Gurudev. Solar system. First one, Sun. Second, Venus. Third, Mercury. Fourth, Earth. Fifth, Moon. Sixth, Mars. Seventh, Saturn. Eighth, Jupiter. Ninth, Neptune. 10th, Uranus. 11th, Pluto. And last, Charon. Thank you. Jai Gurudev.
పింక్ కలర్ చూస్తున్నాడు. తోర్సు. ఓకే గుడ్. yellow కలర్. ఆరెంజ్. గ్రీన్ కలర్. ಗುಡ್.
Gurudev.
ಆ ಕಪ್ ತೆಗಿ. ಯಾವ ಕಲರ್ ಐತೆ
Yellow.
ತೋರ್ಸು.
Pink.
ತೋರ್ಸು.
Green.
ತೆಗಿ.
Orange.
ತೋರ್ಸು. ಓಕೆ.
Ramayana book. Story. Long time ago, King Dasharatha ruled over Ayodhya. He had 4 sons: Rama, Lakshmana, Bharata, and Shatrughna. One day, King Janaka of Mithila organized a Swayamvara for his daughter Sita. He said, "The prince who will string this bow shall win my daughter's hand."
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಒಂದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇರು. ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಇವರು ಯಾವ ಕಲರ್ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
ಯಾರು ಇವರಾ? ಆರೆಂಜ್.
ಆರೆಂಜ್. ಇದು ಯಾವ ಕಲರ್ ಕರ್ಟನ್ ಇದೆ?
ಗ್ರೀನ್.
ಗ್ರೀನ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಶಾಲ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾವ ಕಲರ್ ಶಾಲ್ ಇದೆ?